In this video, I'll show you how to make images clickable in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to your top bar, and on the left-hand side, simply click on Edit so we can start customizing our website. From our Squarespace website, the first step is to scroll down to the section where it has our image. As you can see in here, I have one image block, and in order for the image block to be clickable, the first step is to simply click on the image. And at the top, you will see a few options, and what you want to do is simply click on Edit Link. Once you click on Edit Link, it will show you a pop-up here below, and this is where you can decide how you want to make your image clickable. You can either link them to a new page or a URL, or what you could also do is at the top, if you click on the drop-down, you can make this into a clickable file, an email, as well as a phone number. If you want to add a URL, simply add the link right in this blank space, or what you could also do to add a page is to simply type slash and the name of the page. If you are not sure of the name of the page, if you just simply click on the blank space, down below you will find all of the pages that you have. And once you're ready, simply head over to the top bar, and on the left-hand side, simply save the changes. And once we click on exit, we will automatically be taken to our site preview. Now, if I scroll down to the image, as you can see, when I hover my mouse, it is clickable. When I hover my mouse on the two other images, as you can see, it won't be clickable. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.